today I have a special clean with me special. Hooray, another day to clean. I'm cleaning up this room and I always do fresh pillowcases, and yeah, this when kids bring home artwork, we love to look at it. We put it into 3 piles, keep and give away, usually to other family members or grandparents, and the keeps get put into a special book. And a cleaning routine where I zip through the whole house, and I usually do this when my husband takes the kids out. Thank you, husband. So I can get it all done and get a workout in. And it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Basically the end of my cleaning routine. That's like what I do every single day of my life. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like content like this, because I'm going to be coming out with just cleaning and organization videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.